Hey everyone, welcome back to the Green Farm channel. It's Claudette and I've got a really fun kit for you. If you can't already tell, it's a big kit and I'm really excited to share this one with you. This was requested because of the keychain, so that's giving you a hint of what it is. And I say this every single time I see a big kit or a regular monthly stamp kit. It just gets better and better. I'm always thinking it's my favorite, but really I don't know if I have a favorite because they're all so cute. All right, so let's get onto this video. All the details, the pre-order information will be towards the end of the video, but let's quickly take a look at what this stamp set is all about. So friends, we've got Anya Combo 3, and this is a really, I've just seen so many requests for this kit due to the fact that we had keychains that we released last month, I want to say, and a bunch of you guys were requesting them to be turned into stamps. Marie never fails. She always hears what you guys request and she's pretty flexible with it. She tries her best to accommodate the requests, and I'm so happy she did, because these keychain that we released, I want to say a month ago, I will put a link for these keychains in the description box down below, but these were highly requested to turn into stamps, and there's more. So we've got 9 Anyas. Once again, this is called Anya Combo 3. It has 9 Anyas and 3 sentiments, and they're all holding sweets except for this cutie. She's the only one holding a savory item, which is fine by me because this is so cute. I just love her little band-aid, her hat, just her whole getup, and she's the only one. So anyways, these are the ones that, these were the, I don't know if you can see it right now, the keychain. So this is her, but the first one here is this cute one with her little braided bangs over here, her outfit, and the lollipop. I just think this is so adorable. Then we have this cute one. I just love coloring her hair. This was so much fun to color. Cute little ponytails with their little bows, and then her outfit, perfect for spring or summer, and she's holding a heart-shaped lollipop. Then we've got this one with her hair in the ponytail. She has a waffle cone, ice cream cone, along with her cute outfit. So adorable. And then of course this one with a hot dog. It's funny because she's, like I said, she's the only one holding something savory, but I don't know, she fits in just well with this group of girls. This could be perfect for your like barbecue invitation if you want to do that, or if you're scrapbooking a backyard barbecue event, you could use her. You could use all of these, but you know, it's summertime's coming up soon, and hot dogs and hamburgers are usually on the menu. So this would be a really cute one for that. And then we have this girl. I colored her in pink, a lighter pink than this one. And she's holding a donut, coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. This would be cute as a tag if you're giving someone like a box with 1 donut in it, or even a dozen donuts. But this would be a cute tag or a card to go along with that. And then we have this one. I just love her hoodie. I love anything unicorn, so this is, you know, up my alley. And then she has a cupcake and just purple hair. And then this one, I had decided to make her blonde. She has ice cream, and I just love this, is it bandana? This bandana. And this is her in the keychain form. I just thought it was so adorable. I am so glad Marie came out with this stamp set. Next one, we have this one, another favorite. I colored her hair in purple. I love the little star pins, or what is it, hair pins on her head. I love that she has boba. So this is another great idea where you can make a gift card holder with a boba gift card in there so that your recipient can buy boba. And she too was a keychain, and she was one of my faves. I mean, who am I kidding? They're all my favorites, but I really enjoyed coloring this set. That would be a cute gift card holder or gift tag, or even a card to give your recipient. And then this one is adorable because I love making cookies, and this would be cute as well as a gift tag. To go with some cookies, or you know, make a little box and then have her on top of the box with a window that shows it's a cookie. Anyways, the 3 sentiment that comes with this is let's eat, but first dessert, and what a treat. So this is perfect. I mean, I said that this, and this were good for gift tags, but actually all of them are really good for gift tags if you're going to like give something sweet to your recipient, or like a goodie bag to take home from your party. It'd be really cute to have these on it with either on the favor bag or a tag. So this is up my alley, and I really adore this stamp set. Okay, let's go into the details. Pre-order will be from May 1st through the 7th. That's May 1st through the 7th. Pre-order price is going to be $42. The regular price will be $50. So how this works is if you order during pre-order, you pay the $42 price. If you wait till it goes into the store, and that's if we have any left over from the pre-order, so we're not going to we can't guarantee that there's going to be some left to put into the store, but if there is, it will be $50. So I always encourage you guys to pre-order it because you're going to be guaranteed a stamp set, and you're going to pay the pre-order price of $42. So that in itself, you get 2 pros to ordering it during the pre-order time frame. So that's May 1st through the 7th. Estimated time of arrival of the stamps, or of shipping it out to you guys, I think it's the end of May. I don't think I can leave a link to this until this goes live, because it's not live, so I won't have a link. This video is going to be out before the pre-order time, so just make sure to keep checking our social media. It will be posted on our Instagram page, as well as our Facebook page and Facebook fan page. So make sure you're following all our social medias, because that is where we are going to put all the information once it's ready for pre-order. I will definitely send a reminder on Instagram, so you guys can remember to purchase this. I can't wait for you guys to get this, and I want to see how you guys color them, if you're going to color them pastel or just the regular way. Either way, it's still going to be cute. I just can't wait to see how you guys use them, or if you took any of my suggestions on how I'm going to use them. So anyways, that is it for this big kit. It's called, once again, Anya Combo 3. Release date May 1st, or pre-order date May 1st through the 7th at $42. And if you forget to order it, if there is some leftover in this, for after we send out all the pre-orders, it will go into the store. It's a first come first serve basis, so make sure you make to write in your calendars, or keep checking online. We don't always get notification whether there's any left. If I see it in the store, I will definitely post it on our social media pages. But if not, I just highly recommend you guys go ahead and pre-order this adorable stamp set. If you have any questions regarding this set, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I will answer them as soon as I see them. All right, everyone, have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.